Hello children, in this video I will tell you about the food preservation of food. Children, you must have seen that most of the times we keep our leftover food unrefrigerated. हम उसे फ्रिज में ही नहीं रखते हैं, स्लैब पर छोड़ देते हैं. Then what happens? After some time it loses its quality, its edibility and its nutritive value. Why? क्यों उसमें से फाउल स्मेल आने लगती है? क्यों हम उसे नहीं खा पाते हैं? बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रोथ ऑफ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म इन इट. सो व्हाट शुड वी डू देन? वी शुड कीप दैट फूड रेफ्रिजरेटेड. हमें उसको कहाँ रखना चाहिए? रेफ्रिजरेशन में. बिकॉज बाय कीपिंग इट इन रेफ्रिजरेटर what will happen? We will inhibit, will stop the growth of microorganisms in it. This is what we doing. We are doing food preservations. So what is food preservation? Food preservation is the process of treating and handling the food in order to stop greatly the spoilage of food, to save the quality of the food, to save the nutritive value and the edibility of the food. Preservation usually involves preventing the growth of bacteria, fungus and other microorganisms. And by preservation we also retards means decrease the growth of, retards the oxidation of fats, because by the oxidation of fats there is a great chance of losing the edibility, nutritive value and quality of the food. The oxidation of fat causes rancidity, and rancidity means, rancidity का क्या मीनिंग है? Having disagreeable odor. Odor means smell और taste. जब उसमें से ऐसी स्मेल आने लगे जो हम सूंघ नहीं सकते या हम उस खाने को खा नहीं सकते, तो उसे बोलते हैं क्या? फूड रेंसिड हो गया, रेंसिडिटी. एंड दिस disagreeable odor or taste is due to decomposition of oils and fats. So let us revise. Food preservation is the process of treating and handling of the food in order to slow down the growth of bacteria, in order to keep the food safe, in order to retain the quality and edibility of the food. Preservation usually involves preventing the growth of bacteria, fungus and other microorganisms, as well as retarding the oxidation of fats. Because by oxidation of fats, what happens? Food becomes rancid. Disagreeable odor starts coming out from the food, and we are not able to eat that food.